Hello, this is James Smith at GannAnalysis.net. That's my email. And my website is www.GannAnalysis.net. Register, you get a few free reports, including a new report, a video report on this market, wheat futures, the July contract, with a complete explanation of how to use the high-low degree angles and square outs. And briefly, I'll just go through a little bit with you here. This green line is a 2x1 line drawn down from high, where it crosses the level of a prior swing low, in this case, July 2021 low. That's called a square out. And you have other square outs where the pink line crosses the same level of that low. That's a square out. And this is a square out where the blue line crosses it. And I've highlighted these turns, and you can see the market does turn every time you have a square out. Now, does it work every time? No, but it works often enough. If you want more details, a further explanation, that's why you register to the website. Check out that video. I think you'll find it interesting. Good luck in your trading and your Gann studies.